we did convection, conduction, and radiation stations in class today. So these are the recordings of the questions that you need to answer and the activities that the students did at each station. Thanks.
Fill a small jar of hot water and 5 drops of coloring. Place the jar in the large jar of cold water. What do you observe? What you should be observing here is the hot water coming out of the top of the small container. And if you look inside the small container, you should see some cold water flow back down into the smaller container. This next station is all about what you want to carry. So in a second you will see a whole line of different materials. The question is, which one would you want to hold the most if it had boiling liquid in it? So we've got the glass container, the ceramic mug, the styrofoam, the plate, the metal, and the plastic. Okay, what you can't tell here is that when they fill the outside of the jar, it actually feels cooler than the cardboard on the inside. The question is why? Alright, so our question is, which one of these items is the best heat conductor? The metal fork, they said, felt the hottest. The wooden dowel rod, which they pick up next, they said was the coolest to their touch. The plastic spoon was a little bit warmer than the dowel rod, and the glass tomato was a little bit cooler than the metal spoon. Why? Okay, what you didn't see here was me sticking my finger in both of these substances, the metal BBs and the beans. And to me, the metal BBs felt cooler than the beads. But what we see with the temperatures here are that the temperatures of the beads and the BBs are actually pretty much the same. Why?
I feel the black one warm and
The silver one feels
cold.
So we already know they feel warmer or cooler, so now we look at the temperatures, and the silver can is actually cooler, and the black painted can is actually hotter. Why?
okay. Here's our stuff. So go ahead and put one of them and separate them into the ones that feel colder than the other ones. So groups.
I think you did it.
Okay, so which ones feel colder than others?
Metal feel colder than the other.
Okay, so divide them into 2 groups for me. The ones that feel colder than the other ones. Okay, so those feel the coldest. All right, now which one out of those feels the coldest?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
Metal.
Okay. Now your job is to try to answer those questions on all of those pink sheets. We did that on pages 86 and 87 in our ISNs. So if you have your ISN, you can use that to do the pink questions. If not, do them on a separate sheet of notebook paper and bring them back when you're done. Thanks.